Well, you know this man well, Mr. Kenny Miner from Outdoor Home in Nixa. Kenny, what have you made for us?
Loaded breakfast bread, and today we're actually doing this not just on the Big Green Egg, we're also going to do the HearthStone Outdoor Griddle.
Oh, a little something different. Well, show us how it's done.
Let's do it. All right, we'll go ahead and get started. First off, we're going to put some bacon up, which is bacon grease. Sell this at Outdoor Home if you need bacon grease, because we're going to cook some bacon. All right, we'll get our bacon frying up here. So now we've got our breakfast sausage on here now as well. Brown this up. All right, our bacon's good and crispy. We're going to pull this off and let it rest. And you can see our sausage is looking good, so we're going to keep going here. We're going to add our eggs next. So we've got a dozen eggs here. I'm just going to pour this right over the top. See, our eggs are all cooked here with the sausage, so we're just going to get this off the griddle. Nice thing about the HearthStone Outdoor Griddle is this enamel-coated cast iron is super easy cleanup. Just takes a matter of seconds to clean up. No seasoning. Makes life super easy. Right, so we've got our finished breakfast mixture here with the eggs, the sausage, the bacon. Here we have an actual crescent sheet. So for this recipe, what we're going to do now is actually take our mixture and put it right down the center here. So first I want to mix in the bacon that we cooked. And now we're just going to layer this right down the middle. Okay, we've got a nice mixture there. We're going to put some cheddar cheese right down the center over the top, and then we have some shredded cheddar as well. We're going to take a pair of scissors and just kind of pull this up and cut every inch or so. All right, so we've made our cuts here, and now we're just going to start at one end, bring this in like at a 45 angle, and just start crisscrossing. Just a couple laughs on the braid here. And then we're going to add some egg wash and bake it in the Big Green Egg. We're just going to hit this with a little bit of egg wash. All right, after the egg wash, now we're going to take the remainder shredded cheese over the top. All right, so now what's left is to actually bake this recipe. So I've got my Big Green Egg set up, indirect with my convector that's in there. We're 375 degrees. So we're going to place that in there. We did all the ingredients on the griddle, as you saw, that's inside the roll. But you can never have too many tools in a shop, and you can never have too many grills. They each have the purpose. So we're just going to put this in here, 375, and let that bake for about 35 minutes. Let's take a peek here. There we go. Nice, and everything's done there. It's all nice and firm. So we're just going to pull this off and let it rest.
This is the absolute best part, the taste test. But before, Kenny, we take a taste, what is this right here?
So this is breakfast sauce. Goes good on anything that takes anything for breakfast with eggs.
Okay.
So just pour a little bit of that over the top.
Let's try it.
Yeah.
Oh, this looks fabulous. Can't wait. Amazing. Well done.
Thank you.
You're the master on the Big Green Egg, and today, the griddle as well.
Yeah.
Great combination. Listen, you can get this recipe at ky3.com, or for all your barbecue needs, go over to Outdoor Home in Nixa, where outdoor living is always in.